Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Holy fuck. Oh my god. Bruh. Bruh, the lineup is so nice. Oh. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to try to get my friends and my family's reaction to my car's exhaust. I'm trying to see what they think of it, and yeah, so let's do a real quick cold start. Alright, now I'm gonna go pick up my friend Robin. I wanna see how he reacts to my exhaust. Yeah, my bro's house. Bro, look, do you want to hear me rev it?
Yeah, let's do it.
Alright, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Holy fuck, that's way too loud, bro.
Bruh. Alright, I just picked up my friend Robin and dropped him off straight away. It was kind of funny. We just drove off after the exhaust flip because the neighbors, bro, they get so mad at like everything, you know. But it's fine. I love the Subaru. I'm at my friend's house. This Subaru is my favorite. It's broken right now, but this shit is fast. Like it gaps most people. But yeah, he's not keeping it anymore. He's gonna sell it. But look at that. That shit is so nice. The 5-speed. So yeah, it's the same guy who I raced with the Infiniti G35. This is his race car. Yeah, the Infiniti was just his daily. But I need a manual actually. Fuck it. I should sell that shit. Get a manual? Nah, I'm not selling. I'm never selling that. But I should sell my TC, get a manual. Fuck it. I miss my manual Accord. Do you think I should buy a Subaru? I think I should, but it's so badass. Look at that hood vent, bro.
You don't give me a guy.
Isn't that loud?
That's pretty loud.
Bro, it just started raining all of a sudden. I hate this weather, bro. You barely can't see shit. My car is sliding around and shit. Alright, now I'm gonna go meet up with my boys. I'm gonna see how they react. But we're gonna get some food too, and yeah, we'll see how it goes.
Yeah, no, there's no way it's gone. You know, it's like difficult.
Huh?
Alright, now we're heading out. The lunch was hella nice. I'm hella full too. But yeah, we're gonna be meeting up somewhere or something. I don't know. We'll see. So I guess alright, one more time. LS 400, EcoBoost Mustang, and a Tiggy, bro. Ooh, let's line up.
Bro,
take two.
Next time.
Walk the tree, that motherfucker.
What is it? Oh my god! Bruh! Is it a cop? The security?
Nah, that's obvious.
Yeah.
This thing is brownie.
Yeah, it is.
It
Please don't crash in my tech.
It literally gets down, bro. I'm telling
Bro, that burnout was sick.
you. Was it?
Yeah.
It gets down.
Yeah, now we're just gonna hit home. That was good meeting up with my homies. I haven't seen them for a while, but yeah, that was fun. Hey guys, so this is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.